Another concept when dealing with errors is what we call debugging our code. For example, let's replace again here this with 0. Now in our case, we know that there is a problem in dividing by 0. But when the code is somehow big and you don't know what's happening exactly, where is the error coming from, we need to do something called debugging. The basic form of debugging is simply adding here a breakpoint. You see this red breakpoint? Now, if you go again here, drop and click on debug Python file. Let's see what will happen now. It will start running, but now it will stop the execution on the breakpoint. Now if you click on this arrow here or step over, it will go to the second line and so on. The second line, and now look at this. I will click, it went to the exception. We knew now that the problem is in this line. This line caused an error. Debugging is very important in some cases if your script is not working. So you need to know exactly what's happening and where the errors is coming from. So simply use breakpoints and go step by step and debug your code in this way. This is very important. Maybe later on in the course, I may ask you to debug your code so we can detect errors together in your scripts and so on. It's very simple. Just add a breakpoint and move step by step to detect where the error is coming from. That's enough for debugging in our case.